Yo, the man get back the visa. Him get back the visa rinse.
The original king of dancehall. How do you view the ongoing debate between two other artists about who holds the title of king of dancehall today?
Well, today is a freedom of speech.
There's no way you can actually associate a Beenie Man and a Kartel. Put them in no form of category at all. Remember, Kartel is shown to the world through Spotify and YouTube and social mediums. Remember, Beenie Man travel the whole world and sell, be an ambassador for this.
I love dating season. It's one of my favorites. And people think that I'm promoting promiscuity, but I'm not, you know. Like,
It fuck up, bro. Because imagine, you boy pops right to your money, bro. And
It's me again. I don't know what's happening in my life. But you know, God, everywhere I turn is disappointment. Get back the visa reinstating. Yo, bro. Nobody can tell me say the man never did go get it, bro. God. Nobody could tell me say the man never did go get it. I want to you, man. Yo, in God we trust, bro. In God we trust. Nobody could tell me say the man never go get the visa reinstated. The man get back the visa. What I gonna do now? What I gonna do now? Now that the man get the visa reinstated, what I gonna do now? Me getting news. Yeah, me get the fresh news. The man get the visa reinstated. Now the man can't come America. What I gonna do? What am I gonna do here now? I want to know, man. I want God in a brother. One dege God. I'm telling you, say, when I God, me know, hey, me telling you something. You see, all the good devil worship for them, when they run for the app, you know. I wanna pray the man done bad. The whole I wanna, the man get back the visa, what I gonna do now? Yeah, dog. The man can't come get the granny, bro. The man get the visa, so now the man I gonna come himself in person, come collecting granny. Yeah. The man I gonna come himself, come collect the granny. So, yes, wanna hear what me say. The man get back in visa here now. On a dead in the show. Them on a dead in the show.
Airbnb for that. There's no way you can actually associate a Beenie Man and a Kartel. Put them in no form of category at all. Remember, Kartel is shown to the world through Spotify and YouTube and social mediums. Remember, Beenie Man travel the whole world and sell, be an ambassador for this. Remember, Kartel can't perform on stage to save your life. Beenie Man is a king for performance. Remember, half of Kartel songs them can be digested by the simple minds. You have to be who you over the IQ of 60 or 100 and mash. You absorb something like that. Remember, Beenie Man collaborated everybody in the world. Go number one, grab a Grammy. Remember, Kartel and all and Beenie Man and all and Kartel and the farmership, it all them at the same age. So if it's 3/4 of the way I jump on the band, we're going to talk about a Kartel time. What time? What new song is this so-called Kartel have right now? We are lucky place. Versus this song with Black Kartel, for your Kartel have back in ideas, Fever, and Fearless Few. Beenie Man have countless number ones all over the...
You better be wise, no fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me June English revise. The killer me beat and then me trust and revive.
Remember, 3/4 of them thing is in terms of competition they pop up on your home page. It's not to educate you. It's to keep us separated and fight against one another. Because ask yourself this. How a war ensued between Beenie Man and Kartel in today's world? How do you even collaborate both of them together? Beenie Man is not even a lyricist in comparison to Kartel. Beenie Man is a hit song maker. Every song come out of him out. And there's no way anybody should have said Beenie Man time and days up because we're living in the era of 90s dancehall right now. 90s. Kartel only grasp and feed through music right now through the 90s. That's what the early 2000s song they do. So Beenie Man is Bob Marley is the king for reggae music, and you tell a man move him blood clot because the chronics are on the place now. And why would you give Bob Marley the king for reggae music? Because Bob Marley created history and created songs of substance so people can sing up to today's world. Which is equivalent to a Beenie Man. You can't ground that. Can't ground that. So people, what on earth you do enough traffic? Social media money are setting up against one another because religion can't do it again.
The original king of dancehall, how do you view the ongoing debate between two other artists about who holds the title of king of dancehall today?
Well, to me, it's a freedom of speech. And I want to let them know I'm not disrespecting none of them. But I just want to let them know, stop confusing the audience.
Okay.
Them need to stop misleading the people. You understand?
Yeah.
If you are a teacher, if you say you are the world boss, hold that title. You know, if you say you are the doctor, hold that title.
I love dating season. It's one of my favorites. And people think that I'm promoting promiscuity, but I'm not, you know. Like, men out here dating, and the women don't want to date. I don't understand. Like, that's how the men find them wife to settle down with, because them with them options. And them see who them like, and see which girl can cook from which girl can't cook. Yeah? See which girl have sense from which girl not have sense. And when me there, I tell you, say, you must date, you don't want to listen to me. Like, bro, you're supposed to date. Weigh your options. So when you finally settle, you know who you get with, and you get to know the person. Give them a 3-month trial period. Less breakup rate. If something happen, but the friendship and everything is already built. And you can't date too much people at the same time, because if you date too much people, like the attention span, you need to focus on just a small amount or one person. So you can actually put in the time and the effort to get to know the person. Too much options, you're not gonna live with nobody, because you're not give them enough time.
I try works. My family failed me. Friends betrayed me. God, I'm tired. I don't know what to do anymore. Please help me. Help me, God.
It fuck up, bro. Because imagine, you boy pops with your money, bro. And the meeting, bro. Tell the dog, say, send back my money, but if you're not doing badness, dog. And for it. And I say, if I load it by hour, bro, because this is not right, dog. I waste my money right there, so dog. You know what I say? You know, hard man, I work for my money, bro. You know what I say? Man, if you know, so yo, when you come on to people, money don't play with that shit, dog. I never put my body on account and get my money. I work hard for that. You know what I say? You know, so foreign life not easy panta pie too. You know what I say that? So it's just like, people just take your things and I know how they work with, dog. It's not gonna come easy, dog. That man come on, so you see that. Alright, that dog. I wanna die to them.
You better be wise, don't fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me June English revise. The killer me beat and then me trust and revise.